I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to leave a Discord server. Maybe you're part of a Discord server that's become relatively inactive over time. Or maybe a Discord server you're in has grown into a toxic environment you no longer want to be a part of. Or maybe you're part of a Discord server where you no longer care about the topic. No matter the reason, you can easily leave a Discord server through either the Discord mobile app or the Discord desktop or web app. I'll show you how to leave both in this video. First, let's walk through the steps to leave a Discord server in the Discord mobile app. Step 1. Launch the Discord app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device. Step 2. Tap the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. You'll see a list of the Discord servers you're a part of in the menu that expands on the left side of the screen. Step 3. Tap the Discord server you want to leave. Information for that server is displayed. Step 4. Tap the ellipses at the top of the screen to open a menu. Step 5. Scroll down to the bottom of this menu and then tap Leave Server. A menu pops up asking if you're sure you want to leave this server. Step 6. Tap Yes. You'll land back on your Discord home screen where you'll see that specific Discord server has been removed. Next, let's walk through the steps to leave a Discord server through either the Discord desktop app or web app. Step 1. Launch either the Discord desktop or web app. You'll land on your Discord home screen. Step 2. Right-click the image associated with the Discord server you want to leave. A context menu opens. Step 3. Click Leave Server in this menu. A message pops up asking if you're sure you want to leave this server. Step 4. Click Leave Server. You may see a survey asking why you're leaving this specific Discord server. Step 5. Fill out any information you want to provide around why you're leaving this Discord server. You'll land back on your Discord home screen where you'll see that specific Discord server has been removed. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.